Hey guys, today is my first YouTube video, and there's a problem. Elsa and Barbie don't have any clothes, so we're gonna find out. Every doll's gonna do is opening some eggs and see which boy or girl gets a dress, and then the other person, if they already have clothes, they can give to the other person. So let's do it. Somebody's going to be stealing some stuff. If you guys see anybody stealing some things, you guys comment down below and see who's stealing some stuff. And put her hand up. Okay, you're going to grab an egg. And there's some shotguns in here too. You don't know which shotgun. Oh, she wants this egg. Okay, over here. Ooh, a shotgun! Right away.
Okay, so what is the first one that we have?
We have first, well that's for the eggs and this for the surprise. So first we have a shotgun. Let me look up her name.
If you believe your employer has
Her name?
Okay, what's the name of it?
Its name is Ginger Fred, and it is common. And here goes in this basket. So. Okay, Barbie's trying to grab an egg.
Okay, next!
And Shanigan does not come. So, yeah.
You put that down.
What's going on?
This punk trying to steal a surprise egg.
What?
This punk was trying to steal a surprise egg. Who is it?
Who is it?
It's me, Ant-Man. Don't worry, I got him though. Catch. Yeah. Did you get it?
Yeah. I got it.
Oh man, that's amazing. Well, congratulations on opening those surprise eggs. Well, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Peace.
Whoa. Come in.
Hey guys, it's me. Hold on, my rope fell off. It's very nudity in here. Very. Hey everybody, it's me. So, how you girls doing? I'm pretty naked.
Say he needs clothes.
I need clothes. I need some clothes out of one of your good surprise eggs. Sound good?
Yeah, but Barbie, you ready to get some of the egg? Yeah, I think so.
Okay, let's pick an egg. Okay, let's open a surprise egg.
Okay, can you see which one I want to pick? This one? Okay, she picked this one. Down. Okay, so it has on in the egg.
Hopefully some clothes that'll fit her.
Ooh, Barbie, some clothes. So, there's some clothes that Barbie can go try on. Wait, where's Ken? Because he's supposed to be helping Barbie put on her clothes. Yeah, where is he?
Hopefully he'll come over in a little bit.
I'm just gonna go get my clothes on. Even though he's
Okay,
not
Barbie, well, we'll be right back when you have your clothes on. Okay, let's see it, Barbie.
Okay.
Wow.
Oh, it does look good though.
Hey guys, I found this in Hans's pocket, and I don't know if you guys needed it.
Give it to the man with the robot.
Hopefully it'll be you some clothes, man, because you're just naked. Here you go, and peace. Okay, now let's see. Let's see if this will be some clothes. Oh yeah, let's see. Hopefully. Okay. Ready, set, Ooh, what is this? Ooh, some Prince clothes. Watch this awesome Photoshop magic. Yeah. Yeah.
That one.
Hey, yeah, how do I look?
Whoa, you look more than I expected without that wardrobe. But I need
Thanks.
clothes.
Hopefully we get you some, Elsa. Let's pick an egg. Okay, Elsa, pick your egg.
My egg? Okay. Let me see what this egg has in it. Here, I'll open it for you, Elsa. Ooh, a dress for her. Okay, let's get. Ooh, a pretty dress. Oh, no. So, here's the dress that Elsa can put on. Let's see what she looks like. Ooh. I need time to put her dress back on. Okay.
Whoa, Elsa, beautiful dress. Oh, I seem to fell over.
So, guys, we're gonna do the rest in another video.
Just be sure to check
Series
that
2.
out.
Series 2. So, thank you, everybody. Bye.
Peace. And also check out Sean Carter, which is me, Ant-Man. And I also played the role of the Prince. So if you want to check out that my awesome videos. But yeah, be sure to check out my awesome videos. I do stuff like Lego Five Nights at Freddy's and Lego Ant-Man. Just awesome Lego videos. So yeah, if you want to check those out, just be sure to look me up. My picture is a picture of a Minecrafty like cartoon lion. If you're looking up, I only have 20 subscribers, but I'm sure it'll grow in the future. Peace.